Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video, I'm going to be saying how big I can get with the Animal Company broccoli. I'm not talking, let's get into it! Alright, so I have the broccoli, but there's something I need to talk about. If I get too big, I won't be able to reach in here and then buy another broccoli. So I have an idea. I'm going to get a backpack, fill it up with broccoli, then take it all the way out there, dump it all, so when I get big, I can still eat it. So let's go do that. Alright, y'all. We got some bags of broccoli, so let's go ahead and eat them. Jeez, bro, we are big. Okay, that one's done. Jeez, bro, I am big. Oh my god. Alright, y'all, I am so big right now. Bro, how big am I? Bro, the broccoli looks so small. Oh my god, I think I just glitched out of the map. I just glitched out of the map. No, there ain't no way. Oh my god. I can glitch out of the map. Oh my god. I just glitched out of the map. Oh my gosh! I just glitched out of the map! Yo, where the frick am I? Yo, what just happened? Oh, I know where I am. I'm at the ship. No, what freaking happened? Oh my god! I'm at the ship area now. Okay, finally, it's fine. Alright, I need to go teleport back. Okay. Okay. Luckily, I still have some more bags I can try. Let's try this again. Oh, nope. Any more left? No, I'm such a big bag, I just ate all of it, dude. Okay. Okay, dude. Okay, 8. Alright. Alright, getting so big. It's hard to get the broccoli now. Okay, she's not big. Oh, come on, just let me eat it! Alright, y'all, I am big again. Jeez Louise. Look how fast I can go. Can I still fit inside of here? Oh my god, I don't think I can fit. Hold on. Oh my god! How big am I? Oh no, I'm stuck. I'm stuck now. No, I'm stuck. Alright. I think I just should end it here. Yeah. Alright, y'all. That's it for today's video. Remember to like and subscribe. Only if you like my videos. So, yeah. Bye, y'all.